Alright, what is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey here in Juno Beach. Another video. I'm gonna be taking you guys to one of the top sushi spots. Apparently it's like #1 rated on Open Table and Yelp reviews. So, and I've heard from friends that's really good. So we're going to Sushi Joe. I'll probably put it somewhere in the screen here, so in case you guys are ever in Florida and want to visit, it'll be in the video right here. But yeah, it's supposed to be really nice. Let me open the windows so my camera doesn't overheat. But yeah, it's supposed to be a really nice spot. So it's supposed to be close to the beach, so I'll be heading back this way. So that'll be dope. I'll probably show you guys the sushi spot if it doesn't take too long, which is only a 12-minute drive, so it's not that bad. And then I'll take you guys to this house. I think it's worth 9 million or 10 million. It's all the way in the back by the water. So hopefully security doesn't kick us out or give us any weird looks. Let's hope not. It's so chill here. I'm surprised I never come to Juno Beach. I've always heard about it, but I had never just took the drive here. But it's so like nice and relaxing. Look at that. Look at those camo seat covers. Look at that, guys. She got camo seat covers. That's crazy. Typical Florida person. You guys ever just sit and think, like, what causes traffic? Like, traffic should really be flowing. This type of traffic. How far down does this go? Ocean Boulevard looks really long. Jeez. Look at that. It just keeps on going. Then eventually comes back up. Damn. It's like every part has its own little Ocean Drive. Look at that. Beach Road. Beach Road goes... Whew. Beach Road is far. I might take you guys on that route too. South Beach Road, I've heard. There is really nice too, so... Alright guys, we are back. The GoPro keeps overheating. Ever since it started getting hot in Florida, like my GoPro has been overheating like so much faster now. So sometimes it's hard filming these videos because the camera gets so hot, and it truly does get hot. Like sometimes I can't even touch it because it's so hot. So I can't tell if it's the case that it's in that's blocking out like the air. I don't know. If anyone knows any way to troubleshoot so my GoPro can breathe better, let me know, please. Or if I should keep like a little cooler or something. I don't freaking know. Because it sucks when you want to film like long videos and then the GoPro will just start powering off. You're like, oh my god. So yeah, we're almost there. It's 8 minutes away. Not too far. I also brought my GoPro Hero 5, so in case this one decides to power off or do anything funny, I'm gonna just switch to the other GoPro. It's funny, with the GoPro Hero 5, I never really had any overheating problems, never. And I've been on long car rallies filming GoPro POVs for like 50 minutes. It never said it's overheating, nothing. So, and this is a brand new GoPro Hero 12 Black, you know? So, I don't know. It's something going on. All right, 475 feet, I'm making a left. Where exactly am I making this left? Probably right here, I'm guessing so. Probably right here. Yeah, right here. Oh, look at the Lambo. Look at the Lamb. It's really beautiful here though. Like, you see how nice this is? Nice condos. Really relaxing too. That's also one of my favorite things about Florida. Like, no matter the neighborhood, it's always quiet. Hold on, where's this telling me to go? Let me go this way. Okay. All right. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you to the sushi spot and then hopefully go to that place that's got a mansion. But some of these houses are really nice too. I also like these platform houses, like where everything's all on one floor. I really, really want that. Like, look how beautiful this is. This is beautiful. So nice. Imagine that, man. You get to retire, you got a nice house here, it's quiet, everyone knows each other. Beautiful neighborhoods though. Beautiful. Wow. Goals, man, goals. Beautiful. That tennis courts? They always put tennis courts near all the rich people, I swear. Rich folks always have a tennis court somewhere. Alright, let's see. Let's see how we could do this. I'm about to jump in front of that car. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're almost there, guys. We're almost at that sushi spot. But yeah, this strip has like everything, like doctors, food, dentists. So whatever you need is on the strip, I guess. What's back here? Horses? I really wish they had like certain signs explaining like what these areas were. So far, it's really nice. Here's got some big mansions, man. This guy got his top down, okay. All the convertibles come out on Sunday. That's proven fact. Every Sunday you see them everywhere. a Shell here. I swear, any gas station that's near a beach or anything like that, the gas is ridiculous. Their prices are crazy. The prices look low, and then as soon as you pull up, they be like $5. You be like, what? Let's see. Where is Sushi Joe? The place is actually closed, by the way, so I might be the only one pulling in. They don't open until I think 4 p.m. So I mean, I might be the only one in this parking lot, to be honest. Let's see. 600 feet. Yeah, right here. Let's see, where's Sushi Joe at? Where's Sushi Joe? Jones. Oh, Sushi Joe, right here. So when you guys pull up, it's a whole parking thing right here, but when you guys pull up, Sushi Joe's right here. 14261. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this little quick ride, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.